trying to... No, not there, not there. Don't poop there. Ah! Kiwi! Poop here. Poop there. Come on, you can do it. Come on, cutie. You can pull it off. I know you got this. Right. So I hope he figures it out on his own. Basically, I'm trying to teach Kiwi how to poop in the sink instead of all over the apartment, and it's not going so. It's not going so well. Poop, Kiwi. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Kiwi. Come on, we're on camera. There's people there. I mean, I don't think there's anyone online yet, but come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got this. Kiwi. Come on, Kiwi. Come on, poop. I wonder if they can hear me say these things. That would be funny. Come on, Kiwi, you got that. I know you got this. I believe in you. Go. Do. Kiwi, come on. So yeah, I'm trying to teach Kiwi to poop in the sink instead of all over the apartment. It's not going very well, but the plan is to basically, whenever I see him trying to poop, I move him to the sink so that he will start learning how to do that. Anyway, the goal here is that the goal of today's session is to fix this annoying UX, which technically isn't a bug in the useauth library. It's more of a side effect of how it works. Did you poop? Good boy. He did it. Come on. Good boy. Alright. So, right now, once you log in, when you're logged in, if you refresh the page, you first see the logged out version, and then useauth checks with the auth0 service whether you're logged in. Once it knows you're logged in, it can show you as logged in, but it's annoying that this thing happens because it should know first that you're logged in and then verify that you're actually logged in. So that's what I'm gonna try to get done today. It should be a relatively easy fix. The difficult part will be making sure that it's that you're properly authenticated and stuff like that, and not compromise security. So let's see what I can do. I'm gonna go. I have the useauth repository. Git status. Why does this have file changes? Gatsby browser. So we're gonna go into cd examples useauth Gatsby yarn start over, so that I get the example page up, and then I can go and fix things and see whether they're working. Am I actually streaming? I am actually streaming. Wonderful. Now let's see how this works. So I have the local Gatsby example running. There we go. Got the local Gatsby example. We go to localhost 8080. No? Oh, it's just localhost 8000. That runs. And now see, when I'm going to log in, I think it works here. So I press the login button. I go through the auth0 authentication flow. Come on. Yep. Auth0 authentication flow. I get back here and it shows me the logout button. I can reload the page and it... Why doesn't it work? That's annoying. Okay, I guess I have to first go fix the stupid example page because for some reason it's not working. Oh, there we go. See, it shows me the login button and then changes to log out and stuff like that. So I'm gonna am I in the repository? I am in the repository. I think what we need to do is go fix the auth reducer so that it saves stuff in local storage. So we actually have local storage defined. We have the user. Let's see what goes into local storage. Application, local storage. We go, where is it? Unlock GraphQL, GraphQL queries. Why? Let's try that again. Let's reload the page. Okay, there we go. So we have user and expires at. I'm gonna actually prefix those with use auth. And does this give me anything that is this saving anything it's not supposed to? No, that's all fine. So we have use auth expires at, use auth user. We fix those here as well. Use auth user. Maybe I should change these into constants. Let's see. Git grep local storage. Am I reading that stuff anywhere else? What? cd git grep local storage. Oh, come on. Git grep local storage. Cool. So let's not search in distribution in the compiled stuff. Great. So we have use auth and oh, that one got exploded away. Perfect. Now let's see. Am I actually live? Why is nobody joining today? Maybe this is just a not that interesting session. Come on, phone. Because the reason I'm wondering is because I'm not sure whether I'm just not online or my chat room is not connecting or there's actually nobody watching. Well, it says I'm sending data. I'm online here and here. Periscope isn't working. Cool. Okay. So it looks like it's just that nobody's watching. That's fair. And why is Periscope no longer connecting? That's silly. It used to connect. Cool. So I've got that. Use auth user, use auth expires at. Let's save that. Git status, git commit -a-m. And we say, what are we going to say there? Kiwi, what are you doing? Git commit -a-m. I'm going to say prefix local storage. Yes, prefix local storage with something. Prefix local storage with use auth colon. Great. Git push origin master. And now let's see, we are going to fix where we are setting up the provider. That's where this is going to have to live. So verify user is logged in. We on auth provider mount avoid storing sensitive data in local storage. So we are dispatching start authenticating and stop authenticating, check sessions, stuff like that. Now here, where we are defining the default state. Where does default state come from? We have user that is null, expires at, that is also null, and is authenticating, which is false. Instead of that, here, when we create context, default state should read from local storage, right? I think that makes sense. So let's try that. Here, where we are doing this local storage, if type of local storage is not undefined, yep. So if type of local storage is not undefined, do we have a get item anywhere? Why don't I have a get item? I'll get pull origin master as well. Come on, go in, bird. Good, birdo. Cool. Okay, got that. Now auth provider tsx, where we're getting the default state, we're gonna say if local store